Welcome to a video by the internet-electricalstore.com. Today we're looking at the Varilight Ice White 2-gang screwless rocker light switch. Just take it out of its oyster box. It's a stock code there, XDQ2S. Okay, so the product itself, it's a sort of high gloss premium white, ice white light switch. 2 chrome rockers. It's the side profile on the back there. You've got 2 terminal blocks, screw holes there for the back box, an earthing point, dual plate system to create the screwless effect, faceplate over the top like that. Anything else, call us on 0800 043 5532 or email us sales@theinternet-electricalstore.com.